Our reactions back with another reaction. This time I think I'll check out the Ronald McDonald Chicken Store Massacre by Rocka Rocka. Let's get into it.
How's it going, man? Staying in Philadelphia, running our Tiffany chicken. We just opened this the other day. It's actually our first new go-to. We've done a whole bunch of things just to promote the business, and we've got a joke here. So why did the chicken cross the road? To get the clickety chicken. Sheridan, thank you. What are you doing, Sheridan? What's happening? No one gives a shit, Sheridan. Since we've actually opened up next door to our McDonald store, Ronald McDonald's actually been sending us death threats, telling us he's going to fuck us up, and that he's going to McFuck clickety chicken up the arse. We've been open for 4 days, and already there's been at least 6 death threats. Just shows you how good it's actually been.
Oh.
Jesus, Ronald, do that again. I'm gonna have to call the police.
Oh. I was not expecting that. What? It stopped. This is crazy.
Hi, guys. Sorry, we're closed for technical reasons. What I will get you to is there's McDonald's just up the road to the left. So happy meals and dinner boxes. No, McDonald's shit anyway. Let's go now.
Wow. Oh, I killed him too. I did not expect any of that. That was crazy. Not sure what to say. Ronald McDonald takes McDonald's very serious, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.